Welcome back to Daily DeFi. Today we're focusing on InstaDapp. Now, this has risen out of the top decentralized finance altcoins that we track every single day in this Daily DeFi series. Here on DeFi Pulse, you can see what used to be number one, number two, number three was Compound, Maker, right here. And Aave was that number three spot. But now InstaDapp has pushed up above Compound. Just even yesterday, it was above Maker. So InstaDapp has really risen to this top spot. That's why today we're focusing in on what InstaDapp is exactly. Sometimes we take a break from these kind of daily news stories, the top decentralized finance altcoins, all these different things that we talk about on a daily basis on Daily DeFi. Sometimes we do have to take a break from that, and that's what today is all about. So InstaDapp over here, you can see this is when you actually click on the InstaDapp token here on Coin Market Cap, on DeFi Pulse. What you can see here is the total stats here. Around $6.46 billion is locked in. In ETH, it's about 3 million. In ETH, around 191K in Bitcoin. So interesting to look at. They basically describe themselves as a smart wallet with an intuitive interface. Okay, so cutting out the bullshit. Basically what InstaDapp is all about is aggregating all these different things that you have in the decentralized finance market with all the different options, right? So it can be a bit overwhelming to look at, okay, what are the options on Compound? What are the options on Maker? What are the options on Aave, right? So all these different things, basically what Layer 2 solutions provide is this situation where you're essentially able to aggregate what is the best opportunity with the lowest risk, right? So you're always balancing risk and reward. And for investing, especially like the type of investing that I do, where I'm always looking at global investment strategies, not just inside of crypto, but in emerging markets and commodities and stocks and whatever it is. That's what I look at. And in today's video, we're really focusing on how InstaDapp is basically innovating in that space. And really what they're doing is they're really automating this process. So an AMM or an automated market maker kind of does the work for you, right? So either you can go out and do your own research into all these projects, which, by the way, whenever you're researching an AMM to delegate the process for you, you have to do your own research. So with InstaDapp, I highly recommend you watch the video linked down below in the description talking about how to do your own research. This is the most important thing, and I cannot recommend this enough. You need to understand that this is your own responsibility. Nobody's going to hold your hand in this process. Nobody's going to call the cops on you as we're hearing this siren here in Tbilisi, Georgia. Nobody's going to call the cops on you. Hopefully that ends here in a little bit. But anyways, that's the main thing, right? So it's your own responsibility. That's the number one thing you have to remember here is whenever you're researching a project, you need to make sure you're taking the own responsibility into your hands. So it's all going through what is the actual like GitHub, what is the actual white paper, what all these different things. And you can see that here on All Things InstaDapp, which I highly recommend you checking out this blog. For the sake of this video, we're not going into depth detail because I'm kind of switching the Daily DeFi series to more 5-minute style episodes versus the 10-minute style. You can let me know in the comments. First of all, what you think about InstaDapp, and then second of all, what you think about Daily DeFi switching back to what we used to be on. When I first started this series, when I was in Kosovo, in the beautiful Balkan region. Now I'm currently in Georgia, kind of touring around some more of like Eastern Europe and heading to Armenia and then Ukraine and Estonia next, all looking at kind of real estate here. But let me know in the comments what you think, 5-minute episodes or 10-minute episodes. That's what I'm curious on, what you prefer. This series, again, I plan to do for a very, very long time. So even if we have some problems in the short term, I don't really care because it's a long term for me. So moving on here to the actual InstaDapp site, we're going to have all links down below in the description, by the way. So make sure you're checking out the official links, not just searching InstaDapp and then clicking on some like scammy website. Go make sure you're on the official links linked down below in the description. So they're basically talking about building decentralized finance infrastructure. We've talked about this. Maybe we'll make a follow-up video on this, but we'll finish it out here with the INST token, the InstaDapp token. About 1,000 people, 1,200 people like this. It's right around $3.26. Market cap is $60 million. Trading volume $99,000. So very, very low in daily trading volume. Keep in mind this, guys. In the contrast of Compound and Maker and Aave, right? So all these top dogs in the DeFi space, InstaDapp has pushed up there in their all-time lows, significantly all-time lows. When they were first listed, they were around $24. Now they're looking at $3.71. So keep this in mind, guys. That's basically all for this daily DeFi. Let me know what projects you want me to kind of like dig in deep on moving forward. Again, these daily DeFi series are more kind of short term, shorter versions of a long term series on any individual project. So let me know that down below in the description, in the comment section. So that's all for this one. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date, hit the notification bell, click all. Always join the Telegram group, link down below in the description. That's all for this one. Invest Global. Until next time, enjoy your day.